Hi, I'm Dr. Lori, and this is Amy. She's my lead esthetician here at Tiburon Aesthetic Center. And so, Amy, what are some of your concerns that we can take care of today?
My biggest concern is just volume loss. So I'm just starting to notice that my cheeks are dropping a little bit. Mm-hmm. Now that I'm in my 30 plus now. So I'm just noticing that I'm losing some of that volume. So I want something that could help. Lift a little bit more.
Lift a little bit, yeah. And that's a very natural thing that starts happening at about the 30s. The fat pads in our face start migrating downwards and separating, and we actually lose bone structure up here in our maxilla also, and so that just leads to everything falling down, as we all have experienced. Anybody my age, of course. So we'll be using Restylane Lift with lidocaine, and so this treatment will not require any anesthesia, no numbing, and Amy can kind of tell you how it feels afterward, but we'll just use it up here to add volume to the mid-face and fill in some of these little troughs from where the fat pads are moving down. Start right here. Ready? Mm-hmm.
That's not bad at all.
Oh, good. Love to hear that. So we're halfway through. We've done her right cheek and getting ready to do her left cheek. So I always love to stop and let people take a look and see what the difference is. And you can kind of see, even with just half a cc in the left cheek, how it just brightens her eyes and lifts her face, lifts down here, helps soften these wrinkles. So we haven't put any fillers down here at all. We've done nothing to her eyes, but you can see the effects halfway through.
Mm-hmm. Amazing.
Yes. And this product has lidocaine in it, so she's feeling the sticks, but the lidocaine helps to numb it once you get it in there.
But it's not bad.
Good. Okay, so Amy, all done. So what do you think?
I think it looks amazing. Dr. Lori, you did an amazing job.
Oh, thank you. You look amazing. How did it feel?
It wasn't bad at all. It was just a little prick, but nothing major. Very comfortable, and I think the lidocaine helps too. Like, you don't really feel anything. So
yeah. Good. So some people, I don't think you will, but some people will end up with some bruising over the next 24 or 48 hours. Most people can feel the product kind of along their cheekbones, and it may be a little sore, so if you try to sleep on your side, you may feel it, but that's normal, and best thing to do is just to leave it alone, and within about 2 days, it'll all that soreness will go away, and the more water you drink, the better. The product will pull water into it, and it'll smooth out and just incorporate naturally into your skin.
Okay, awesome. So, thank you so much.
No, thank you.